Hey guys, it's Jason with Ohio Turnkey. We're actually standing outside of this awesome high-income cash-producing single-family property here in Southern Ohio. This one is sold to an investor we have in San Jose, and we work with our clients that are all around the world. So if you're concerned at all with your investment portfolio, let's talk about real estate investing in Southern Ohio. We've got a proven system that delivers completely rehabbed, fully rented properties. It allows you to sit back, relax in the comfort of your home, collect a check every month in your mailbox, or perhaps we direct deposit, however you want that. Reach out to me soon at 513-392-6299. We can talk a little bit about what you're trying to achieve and your goals, and perhaps we got some properties for you. We buy about 15 to 25 properties a month. We rehab them, we'll get them ready to go. You can also go to our website, ohioturnkey.com, and reach out to me soon. Let's talk.